Hey, like I said, this is We for We TV, and we're chilling over here live at Abuja Restaurant. We're here making sure Nigeria wins this game. It's less than a minute to go, and the crowd is about to go bananas. Nigeria 2-1 against South Africa. I get women. I get women. Babylon was Yo, it's a deserving win. Very deserving win. We did it. We're chilling. Yo, we going for the goal, guys. And it's a wrap. Yes. We just did it, man. We just did it. Super Eagles. Chief, are we excited or what?
We're excited.
That's what I'm talking about. Yo, Peter, what do you think about the game, man? Getting reactions, man.
Yeah, man, they play good. They play good.
They did their thing, right?
Yeah, they play good,
That's
man.
what I'm saying.
My man.
Yeah, super player.
My man.
What do you think?
My man, I'm Liberian.
You damn Liberian.
Liberian, man.
Yo. How do you feel, my brother? Tell me how you feel.
Man, look at this. You know what I mean? We're here. You understand? You understand? Nigeria, baby. That's the way it is. Man, I'm excited, man. Look. We're doing it like this now. Because it's Nigeria now. Everything is green now. The world is green now.
Oh, my fellow soccer, my fellow Ghana over here.
Yes.
What's up, Doc?
Yes.
Tell us.
2-1. We're bringing the crowd back home.
It's a good thing.
That's back
going to
again.
win this year.
I don't know about that.
Arsenal got a good jersey. They got a good jersey, and that's it.
That's it?
If the jersey is good, I might wear it. I'll put Chelsea logo on it and wear it.
That's not nice, man.
Right now, you know,
We for we.
Yes, sir. Our conscious soldier. Custodian of our culture. What do you think?
Oh boy, now winning for fun now. When I came here for the first time, I fell and said the match now.
All right. I'm not sure
What's happened now? The girls are spoken.
That's what's up. What do you think about the win?
You already know that. You know how we do, man.
You representing
All day,
Nigeria.
every day. Let's go.
Nigeria connection. When they give us some analysis, man, what do you think about this? Give us analysis, man. You know what I'm talking about the Lego, man? So tell us what you think about this game over here. We saw you chilling, we saw you going crazy, we saw you supporting the team and all that. What do you think? How do you feel?
My brother, it was just God.
Alright.
It was God that made us win this match. It was man to man. It was man to man. I almost had an heart attack. You know,
but at the end of the day,
oh, to God be the glory. To God be the glory.
I saw when they scored that goal.
I was so excited. You can say I almost started.
When they scored against Nigeria, we saw you going crazy.
In fact, my brother.
So at the end of the day, you are a happy person today.
Yes, I'm so happy.
Yo, this is We for We TV, Fracas Mofaya representing, and it's been a crazy day. It's been a crazy. Yo, a lot of Nigerians over here chilling. Some people thought they couldn't make it, but eventually it did happen positively for the team. It's a good thing. More fire, fuka.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button.
Ah.